Welcome back everyone. Let us start with part number 7. This is also one of the time consuming part. So let us first draw the profile which is shown here, and here let us ignore this 22 mm and we will just consider 20 mm. And here also it should be at a distance of 1.5 mm away from the plane. So follow the steps which I have been carrying in order to draw the profile. Once we are done with the profile, here we can see that we have to give the protrusion of 33 mm on either side. That is, go to click on return, select the protrusion, select the profile, OK, and here click on symmetric and enter the value here as 33 mm and then click on finish. Next we have to create a holes. This step is similar as we done in the connecting rod. So here we have to create two holes of 10.5 mm diameter. So just follow the steps. So once we are done with the hole, we have to create a sketch on this surface in order to cut out the outer part, which is not required since the outer part is a curved as we can see in the drawing. So for that, draw a circle of diameter 20 mm till it touches the outer edge, and from here, from the center of the circle, draw tangents touching the circle as shown here on both the sides, and then connect it to the outer side. Create a profile to cut out, and then using cutout option, cut out the unnecessary regions of this part. We are done with the outer cutout. Here in drawing we can see that there is a kind of a groove here. So for that we have to draw one more circle of, and it should be at 3 mm on either side. So for that we have to insert a plane at 3 mm from this face here, and there we have to draw a circle of 18 mm, and then we have to create a profile which needs to be cut out. So let us do that. So let us first insert the plane at a distance of 3 mm from this surface. Do not select the central plane or right plane, just select this surface here and enter 3 mm. And on the new plane inserted, draw the profile which needs to be cut out as shown in the drawing. So you people just follow what I have been doing. Select the profile, click on OK, and give the cutout length as 14 mm, because 20 minus 3 minus 3, that is 20 minus 6, we have to give it as 14 mm. So in sketch we can see that there is a curved kind of a cutout. So let me create that also. So for that, go to sketch and select this surface. Here draw an arc similar to the outer arc here, and then create a small profile which needs to be cut out, and then using cut out as I did here. Once you are done with the cutout, we have to make it on other side and either side of the face, so by using mirror option. So just follow here what I will be doing using mirror. Sorry, here we can see there is a cross section, and this shows that it should be 5 and 6.5. so for that it should be not 29, it should be 30.5, that is 29 plus 1.5. so let me just edit the profile which you have created at the very beginning. So go to sketch 1, right click and go to edit profile, and here change this to 30.5. Click on that and type 30.5. And we see that they are not concentric circles, so for that go and click on the concentric option and select both the arcs. Go to concentric, select both the arcs. Now the profile is correct. Now click on return, then click on finish. So we have got what we need. So next part, which is here, we have to create this thing, that is we have to create a cross section like this. For that we need to cut out the outer section. So go to sketch, select this surface and draw the profile which has been which you can see in the screen as shown in the drawing here, and then give the revolve protrusion to an angle of 90 degree using symmetric cutout. Once we are done with this profile, we have the last part to create this kind of structure. So it is inclined at 30 degree, but it's not given from where. So let us just draw a line at 30 degree from some point on the side, and here it is given 13.5 vertical distance. So let me just draw a line at an angle 30 degree. So draw a line, go to angle between and select this line and the horizontal plane and make it 30 degree, and go to this distance between, select this tip here and this plane, go to the tip, go to smart distance between, select this tip and this plane, and here enter 13.5. and from this here draw the profile which is to be protruded, which is shown here. That is 10 dia on the top, that is 10 distance, and bottom it should be 12. So we have to draw a profile of 5 and 6, and then we have to use revolve protrusion to create this profile. So let me do that. Now using perpendicular option, make this line perpendicular to the 30 degree angle line. Using smart dimension, give here as 5 mm. It should be 5 mm, not 2.5. So type here 5 mm, and the bottom side it should be half of 12, that is 6 mm. Now click on return. Before that, remove this line which is not necessary. Go to trim and this remove this part, and now click on return and give revolve protrusion. Enter 360 degree. And inside that protruded part we have to create a countersink hole of main diameter 3 mm. So go to hole, select this surface and create a countersink hole. Just follow the steps. Since we get a small extruded part outside the inner surface, so we have to edit this. Here I have forgotten that there is a 40 mm length at the top, so let me give that dimension, and then we'll have the correct profile. In exam, if you remember all these dimensions and all these steps, then you can quickly design this within 15 or 10 minutes. And in exam it need not be this much of neat, so you can just create a simple cutouts. So now we are done with this part, everything is over. Now go to file, material, enter the material, then go to file properties, enter the properties, and then save the file. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.